Solutions formula. Weight by weight percentage is equal to W2 divided by W1 plus W2 into 100. Volume by volume percentage is equal to V2 divided by V1 plus V2 into 100. Weight by volume percentage is equal to W2 divided by V into 100. V is equal to V1 plus V2. ppm parts per million is equal to W2 divided by W1 plus W2 into 10 power 6. Chi2 is equal to N2 divided by N1 plus N2. Chi1 is equal to N1 divided by N1 plus N2. Chi1 plus Chi2 is equal to 1. Lowercase m molality is equal to N2 divided by W in kg. That is equal to W2 divided by M2 into 1 by W in kg. For dilute solution, molality is equal to N2 divided by W1. Molarity, uppercase M, that is equal to N2 divided by V in liters, that is equal to W2 divided by M2 into 1 by V in liters. P is equal to Kh into Chi2, Henry's law. P is equal to Kh into N2 divided by N. Raoult's law, P1 is equal to P1 naught into Chi1. P2 is equal to P2 naught into Chi2. Relative lowering of vapor pressure, P1 naught minus P1 divided by P1 naught is equal to Chi2. P total is equal to P1 naught into Chi1 plus P2 naught into Chi2. Delta TB is equal to Kb into M, that is equal to Kb into N2 divided by W. Delta TF is equal to Kf into M, that is equal to Kf into N2 divided by W. Kb is equal to R into M1 into T naught B the whole square divided by 1000 into delta H vaporization. Kf is equal to R into M1 into T naught F the whole square divided by 1000 into delta H fusion. Pi is equal to R into M into T, increase in osmotic pressure, that is equal to R into W2 divided by M2 into 1 by V into T.